Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back on the YouTube channel. I haven't uploaded on this channel in almost 2 years since my Guatemala mission trip video. But we are back, we are moved, we are streaming on Twitch. So that is going to be in the description below. But I've moved out of the house. I am living on my own now. College doesn't count. I am now officially living on my own now. Very scary times. But I moved into a content house. I know some people don't call it content house. But I live with 2 other Twitch streamers as well. We're going to introduce them later in the video. But we're going to give ourselves a little content house tour. If you guys are ready for that, we're going to show off the room, the half room that I have. That'll be interesting. We'll get into it. But we're going to get into it. I hope you guys like the video, like, subscribe, and follow the Twitch as well. And oh, you thought I was going to hit the camera there, huh? From the Guatemala video. If you guys know the reference, then you know. All right, we're gonna get into the living room first. This is where you enter. There's just a hallway out here. Nothing too fancy here. And to the left is my closet for now. We're gonna have to back it up here, but here's the closet. I have to use this as makeshift space. Here's the shoe collection. We got some NMDs there. We got some tubulars here, some just run in the mill. These are all so old shoes. I haven't used these shoes since high school. I don't even know why I have them. Some Adidas slides, some Tins, and then we have some jerseys and some pants and whatnot up here. We closed that door, and I forgot to mention that I have these Ultra Boosts as well. These are my go-to shoes. They kind of need a wash a little bit, but then we have this Mountain Dew box here. No self-promo here, but this Mountain Dew. It is some Major Lemon. We found it at Walmart, and it's actually pretty good, so I recommend it. But as we get into the living room here is the living room. Not really much to it. We got a nice coffee table here. This thing weighs a ton. Here's my old laptop. We don't know what we're going to use this for, but we'll figure something out. Here's a dual reclining couch. Very nice, very comfortable. Here is the TV that we watch during the day. We're going to turn this into an editing computer. This is Dylan's old streaming computer, but his graphics card came in today. So now this is very obsolete to them. So we're going to turn this into an editing computer. I'll possibly turn this into an editing suite. There's an Xbox down there as well. Just some makeshift space here. And then the centerpiece of the room, bubble hockey. See, now we haven't really played this all that much. We're gonna try to turn this into some YouTube video or whatnot at some point. But it turns on, it's all electronic. It's just like foosball with a dome over it. Super fun. I wanted to keep this in the house. So we did. And took a long time to assemble, but now it is. And there's another couch, another chair, and that is the living room. For the most part, we got a nice little painting there. The bathroom is there, and that's where we're gonna go next. As you may notice, before we go into the bathroom, the lighting in this living room isn't ideal. We're gonna have to find some ring lights or do something to brighten up this room, to do some videos in this room, because this is where we're gonna film most of our videos. But as you can see, there's no lights in the middle of this, but there's one in like the left corner here, like where the doorway is in the kitchen. But it's super weird how it's set up, and the thermostat there, obviously. But I just wanted to point that out. It's very dark in here, but we will brighten this up at some point. And then we have a hallway light here. Here is Ricky's room, and off to the right here is Dylan's room. He is sleeping at the moment. I don't even know what that noise is, but we're gonna get into the bathroom here. Turn on the light. Oh, we don't want that light on. That's loud. We're gonna turn on this light. What's up, guys? Here's the bathroom. Not too big. Here's the shower, all of our stuff, the toilet, good old toilet, and then here's all of our stuff. So just a run-of-the-mill bathroom. I don't know what that noise is, but that doesn't sound very good. We're gonna get into my room now in the kitchen. Like I said, you hang it right here from the kitchen at Ricky's room, Dylan's room. Dylan is napping right now, but we'll introduce him later. Ricky is also out at the moment, so we'll introduce him later, and his room later. We'll leave that to him. You hang it right here, and we get to the kitchen. Disclaimer, the kitchen is very dirty right now. We haven't done dishes or whatnot, but here's the fridge. We just got frozen stuff for food and whatnot in here, and then a little bit of beer, all that good stuff in here. Got some soda, some almond milk there, some whipped cream cheese, all that good stuff, and all the sauces and all that stuff. But we're gonna skip right by this stuff real quick. All this stuff, yeah, we have all these snacks. Here we go. We got snacks on deck. Look at all this goldfish up there, bro. Look at all that goldfish. We have goldfish on deck. The good old ramen and all that stuff. And then we'll open this cupboard. Just more snacks and pre-cooked stuff. Here's a table we don't really use. We just use it for the coffee maker, the rice maker, all that good stuff. But behind this curtain is my room. And like I said, I have to backtrack a little bit. This is the other wall to my room. So behind this is my room. So we had to partition off part of the living room for me to move in, because these guys were already moved in here and I wanted to move in with them before they moved to a next place. So I decided to partition off part of the living room. So here is the tension rod, the curtain, and all that stuff. But we're gonna get behind where the magic happens on Twitch. All right behind this curtain is going to be my room. Like I said, it's a double curtain here, and then I put up my Penguins flag in here. But here we go. We're gonna get into my room. Got to turn on the light. What am I doing? There we go. We got to turn on the light, and here is the room, boys. Got the hamper here, the mini fridge. Here's the bed. Slightly made, slightly not made. But here is the main setup. We've got the PS5 here. We've got the dual monitor setup. There's the webcam. This is, you guys know all this stuff I've shown you guys on stream and whatnot. The mix amp, the PS5, PS4 controller, the keyboard, and here is the PC. Here she is in all of its glory. My specs are in my Twitch description if you guys are wondering what is necessarily in this computer. I don't even know. I didn't even really build it. But here is some part of the memorabilia. Here is a signed Giannis Antetokounmpo picture. My friend hooked me up with that. Here is a jersey I got from Guatemala. That is a first-tier Guatemalan league jersey there. And as we pan to the right, here's a Dalvin Cook Color Rush jersey, PSG home jersey. U.S. men's national team home jersey, Man City home team, come on City. And then we've got the Borussia Dortmund home, Barcelona home. That is a Messi jersey. There is a AC Milan jersey. Here is Phil Kessel. The Vegas Color Rush jerseys when they did those. A retro Penguins jersey. Here's the dresser. We got the welcome to the stream little sign here. Wallet, keys, all that good stuff. We've got, here's a picture of me at high school graduation, a picture of me on my mission trip. This was a Halloween party we had at school, the boys. Here's my dog, CJ. You guys don't really see him all that much, because he's kind of camera shy. But here's my dog. This was one of the most recent snowstorms we have, so that is a pretty recent picture. One of the world records I have, one of the certificates I have for one of the world records I have. And then we pan over here. Here's obviously where the kitchen is. Here's an Aaron Judge Yankees jersey. A whole bunch of snacks and whatnot. And that is the room. You don't really need much to stream. And there's the all that cable management, lovely cable management there. An office chair that I assembled when I got here. So I've been here a week now, and I've really settled in nice. Really like the room and how it's come together. I'm planning on moving jerseys around so the background of the stream doesn't get too boring at some point. But yeah, there is the room tour. Hope you guys like it. I was hoping to show you guys this off at some point, and I just wanted to settle in for a week or so to show you guys this. But yeah, we're gonna get into the rest of the apartment. So like I said, I've been here about a week now, so I thought it was a good time to finally show you guys the apartment and my room tour. We're not technically done with the apartment tour yet. Like I said with sports memorabilia, I would like to represent at least one of my favorite team in each of the sports at least once on my wall. There's the Bucks, and there's the Vikings, Skull Vikings, Manchester City, my team, my soccer team, Pittsburgh Penguins, my hockey team, and then the New York Yankees, my baseball team. But like I said, that'll change on stream and whatnot. But yeah, so there's the room. I hope you guys like it. It took it took like 2 days to, oh, and there's a What a Time to Be Alive vinyl. My favorite rap album of all time. If you guys haven't listened to it, you should. But like I said, I hope you guys like the room tour. It took like 2 days to actually put this all together and move in and whatnot. But we're gonna get into Dylan and Ricky's room, and that is the rest of the apartment. So stay tuned for that. And now, Dylan's room. This isn't Dylan though. Dylan's room, here we go. Here's Dylan's room. Here it is in all its glory. Super messy. My room could never. Here's Dylan's room. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Playing some Warzone on the 144 hertz monitor. There you go.
You're slacking though.
Yeah, I am slacking. Here's the room though. We'll let him do the rest in his own intro video. And here we go. over to Richard's room. Here we go, the dual monitor setup. There it is. And there's his room. Just a little quick sneak peek of that. Ooh. Ooh. He thick. He thick, dude.
Like my jumper?
All right. Well, guys, it's like 5 days later, but we finally finished the apartment / room tour video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be living here for like the next 3 months, and then we might be moving out to Western New York. But stay tuned for that. Follow my Twitch channel, will be in the description, and the other 2 guys that I live with. Join the Discord. I'll also link that in the description. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll be posting on this channel more. But we are creating a group YouTube channel. Don't want to disclose the name yet. You might already know what the name is by the time I upload this video, but we are making a group YouTube channel, and I'll link that if it's already exists in the description, but if it doesn't, stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and have a good day.